In this video, we're going to look at the SERP features functionality of SERPsketch and how you can use that to understand where there may be opportunities for your brand in the Google search results pages. We've got this data in two views, and to start with, I'm going to look at the donut chart view that we've got in front of us. But the same data is available in table view below too, for those that prefer to see the raw numbers. This SERP feature view shows us the features that appear in SERPs for our keyword set. So in this example, we have 100 keywords. For our keywords, we have a range of features including organic, shopping, videos, top stories. That's not to say that all of these features appear on the SERPs for every single keyword in our set, but rather that across the set, these are the features that dominate the space. This tells us how much of the total available space for our 100 keywords has been taken up by a particular feature of Google. We can see organic features take up 51% of the SERPs. This little icon here indicates that between two different sketches, organic features have decreased in space by 3%. People also asked questions take up 11% of the SERPs. This icon indicates there's been no change in space since the last sketch. Shopping and PPC ads take up 10% and 7% of the SERPs respectively. So that's 17% of the SERP space for your keywords which can be bought. Both shopping and PPC ads have increased their share of SERPs between the two sketch runs. Related searches takes up 14% of the overall space. Related searches here is showing as totally dominated by other domains. That's those we can't categorize as our own, our competitors, or our partners. That's because related searches go direct to another Google search page, and so Google is the domain. The next thing we can look at is how much space our brand is taking up. That's the number inside this circle, and this little indicator here shows you whether you've made gains or losses in that particular feature. Here we can see that we own 9% of the organic space in SERPs for our keywords, with no change in share between the two sketch runs. So that's 9% of the 51% of space that organic results take up in the SERPs. For people also asked questions, our domain owns 2% of that space, an increase since the previous sketch. We also own 10% of the PPC ad space, an increase of 3%. In each of these donut charts, we can see how much space you've taken up versus your partners, competitors, and other brands that you're not categorizing. This is a really quick way of understanding where you're gaining visibility, where your competitors are visible, and where you're not. And then it can help you to understand which features are appearing on pages for your keywords, so you can focus your time and budget on dominating areas that are actually visible to your prospective buyers.